Hi, today I'm going to show you this Lego Technic quad bike. It is crammed with realistic details, just like the suspension in the engine with a V1 piston. And also there's this chain that when you spin it, it spins the engine. It has two-wheel steering and a seat with a steering wheel and some pedals. So the Lego Technic pieces are for like bigger kids, and like they're not like the original Lego bricks. They're like advanced Lego bricks, so it's hard to put them together and stuff. And this took me about almost 2 days to build, and yeah. Subscribe for more videos or visit my website at legochess.com.